Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Distribution of electrons in octahedral complexes. Distribution of electrons in octahedral complexes. Octahedral complexes is one in which the coordination number of central metal ion is 6. Coordination number of central metal ion is 6. How to fill up or how to distribute the electrons in these complexes? The filling of electrons in the d orbitals in the presence of ligand field follows Hund's rule. In the octahedral complexes with D2 and D3 configuration, if the central metal ion has 2 electrons in the outermost cell, now we can easily distribute these 2 electrons in lower energy T2G orbital, 1 electron, 2nd electron. According to Hund's rule, the electrons are filled. You know what is meant by Hund's rule? No pairing takes place until all the available orbitals contain 1 electron in each. No pairing takes place until all the available orbitals contain 1 electron in each. If the octahedral complex containing D2 electronic configuration, these 2 electrons are filled according to the Hund's rule. And if the octahedral complex, the central metal ion containing D3 configuration, the 3 electrons are filled as before, that means follows Hund's rule 1, 2, 3. There is no doubt in it. In case of the octahedral complex containing which electronic configuration? D5 electronic configuration, or first we fill up with D4 electronic configuration. Now you may have one doubt. What is the doubt? There are 2 possibilities. That means 3 electrons are filled in T2G orbital. Whether the 4th electron go to the higher energy Eg orbital, or the 4th electron may pair with one of the T2G orbital. That means the 4th electron may go to the higher energy Eg orbital or may paired with T2G electron. In this scenario, the preferred configuration will be the one with lower energy. The preferred configuration is one with lower energy. Come to the conditions of pairing of electron. Very most important condition. In the octahedral, if the octahedral crystal field splitting energy, octahedral crystal field splitting energy, O indicate octahedral, is greater than pairing energy, Pairing energy is given by the symbol P, right? It is necessary to cause pairing in the orbital. That means pairing takes place. Pairing takes place. What is the condition? You know, the octahedral crystal field splitting energy is greater than pairing energy. Pairing takes place. How? 1, 2, 3 and the fourth electron is paired up with the first electron in T2g orbital. Now the electronic configuration is T2g4EG0. If it obeys this condition, its electronic configuration is T2g4. That fourth electron is paired up with the first electron of T2g. Conversely, when you change this condition, what is the condition? If the octahedral crystal field splitting energy is less than pairing energy, given symbol P, then the fourth electron occupying one of the degenerate higher energy Eg orbital. If delta O is less than P, what happens? The fourth electron will occupy one of the degenerate higher energy Eg orbital. That means no pairing takes place. No pairing takes place. See the condition? No pairing takes place. If no pairing takes place, what is the electronic configuration? Fourth electron occupy in Eg. Therefore, electronic configuration is T2g3 Eg1. T2g3 Eg1 is the electronic configuration. Let us consider two different ion complexes. Two different ion complexes. One is Fe, H2O, 6 times 3 plus ion. Ion oxidation state is also 3 plus. What is the name of this complex? A very easy name. We have 6 aqua, therefore hexa aqua. It is a positive complex, therefore the central metal ion name is as such ion, oxidation state 3 and ion. Hexa aqua ion 3 ion. In this complex, aqua H2O is a weak field ligand. Therefore, the complex is called weak field complex. Its delta O, that means octahedral crystal field splitting energy value is equal to 14,000 centimeter power minus 1. And take another example of Fe, CN6, FeCN6, 3 minus ion. Same ion 3 plus. The name of this, IUPAC name of this complex is hexacyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidocyanidoc ferrate 3 ion. Ferrate 3 ion. It's the complex Cn minus the ligand Cn minus is a strong field ligand. Therefore, the complex is a strong field complex. Ligand is strong field ligand. Therefore, the complex is strong field complex. The delta octahedral crystal field splitting energy of this complex delta O is 35,000 centimeter power minus 1. 35,000 centimeter power minus 1. Now, pairing energy of Fe3 plus ion P value is for both the complex. In both the complex, ion is in 3 plus oxidation state is 30,000 centimeter power minus 1. In both the cases, ion is in 3 plus oxidation state. Therefore, Fe atomic number 26 with the electronic configuration argon 18, 20, 26. For Fe3 plus ion, it indicates loss of how many electron? 3 electron. Argon 18, 3d5, 4s0. 2 electron from s orbital and 1 electron from d orbital is removed, and the electronic configuration is 3d5, 4s0. How to fill up these 5 electron in T2g and Eg level? That is our question. How to distribute these 5 electron in T2g and Eg level? For that, we have to compare the delta O with the pairing energy. So, when you compare these two values, we come to conclusion that delta O octahedral crystal field splitting energy is less than pairing energy. If it is less than pairing energy, that means no pairing takes place. First, no pairing takes place. How to fill up the 5 electron? Now I am filling the 5 electron without pairing. D orbital has 5 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the electronic configuration is T2G3 and Eg2. This is the electronic configuration for Fe3 plus ion. Now, compare the delta O and P for the next complex. Delta O 35,000, P is 30,000. So, here the condition is octahedral crystal field splitting energy is greater than pairing energy. Because this condition is obeyed, therefore, because of these conditions are obeyed, therefore, pairing takes place. How do you distribute these 5 electron in T2g and Eg? By pairing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The preferred electronic configuration is one with the lowest energy. Now the electronic configuration is T2g 5 Eg0. T2g 5 Eg0. The actual distribution of electron can be ascertained by calculating crystal field stabilization energy, CFSE. The crystal field stabilization energy is defined as the energy difference of electronic configuration in the ligand field, CFSE. Delta E octahedral is equal to the energy difference between the electronic configuration of ligand field and the electronic configuration of isotropic field. The electronic configuration of isotropic field. What is the electronic configuration of ligand field? How to calculate the electronic configuration of ligand field? That is equal to square bracket, starting with the square bracket, N-T2G into minus 0.4 plus NEG into 0.6, then octahedral crystal field stabilization energy plus NP into capital P. So, this is the formula used to calculate the electronic configuration of the ligand field minus isotropic field N dash P into P. N dash P into P. What is meant by N-T2G? N-T2G, that is equal to number of electrons in T2G orbitals. Number of electrons in T2G orbital. What is NEG? Equal to number of electrons in EG doubly degenerate orbitals. And what is NP? What is NP? Number of electron pairs. Number of electron pairs in the which field? Ligand field. In the ligand field. And what is N dash P? That is equal to number of electrons. Number of electrons. Pair of electron. Pairs in the isotropic field. In the isotropic field. Isotropic field is nothing but the isolated gaseous metal atom field. D. The electrons are filled in D orbital. T2G and EG means ligand field. D orbital electrons are filled means isotropic field. Isotropic field is also called a perisender. So, by calculating the crystal field stabilization energy, those complexes which containing low CFSE is a preferable one. So, this is about distribution of d electron in octahedral complexes and also crystal field stabilization energy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.